Hi everyone, this is Ms. Farwa. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will be learning about the different type of computers or the digital devices that we use nowadays. So in order to do that, you have to use Paint 3D and let's search for the different devices. First of all, I want to write the heading on my canvas. So I'm going to this text option at the top. Then you have to select the 2D text from your right hand side window. Click here and give a heading to your canvas. In the center of your canvas, just click once and start writing. Let me write digital devices. You can also write different type of computers. Digital devices. Okay, once you are done with your heading, if you want to keep it a little up, so just go to the dotted lines and move it a little up like this. Once you are set, just click anywhere in your canvas to save it. Now start searching for the devices. Go to 3D library. And then let me just quickly connect to the internet first. Okay, let's wait for the connectivity. Then you have to go back. Remember that 3D library needs internet to be connected in your device. So try again. Once the net is connected, then you can use 3D library. Go to search bar and search for a laptop. Nowadays, we are using too many laptops. It's easy to carry all around. So just select any of your favorite laptop from the library, add it into your canvas, make it small from the corners, put it on the left side, and if you want to give a 3D view, so you can use the x-axis rotation and the y-axis rotation. So it's up to you. If you want to set its 3D view, so you can set it by using these buttons. Once you are done, just click anywhere on the screen. The first thing you have added is a laptop. Go back to 3D library, click on the search bar, erase laptop, search for a smartphone. Just write down phone, press enter, see the items in the search bar, go down and try to find a smartphone. Here we go. Look at this one. These are the kind of smartphones that we use nowadays. So you can make it a little smaller and place it next to the laptop here. Once you are set, just make it a little small because it must be equal to the laptops. Like the size needs to be same for all the devices so it will look nice. Go back to 3D library, click on the phone, erase it, and then search for a desktop computer. You can write desktop and press enter. Here we go. Desktop computers here that has a CPU, a keyboard, and a mouse. Make it small. Put it next to your smartphone here. And then just click anywhere in the canvas once you are done. Go back to 3D library. Click on the desktop. Erase it using the backspace. Search for a tablet. Nowadays, the kids use tablets a lot because it is very portable and easy to carry, and it has a lot of applications to install. We make it small, go in the center, put it next to your desktop computer. Once you are done, just click anywhere and save it. Go back to 3D library, erase the tablet, and search for a digital camera. We use digital cameras, we use smart speakers, so it's up to you what digital devices you want to add. So let's add this one, a digital camera. So here I am adding 5 different devices. It's up to you how many devices you want to add. You can add it in your project. Just place it next to your tablet. Click anywhere and save it. Okay, I'm just going to adjust my laptop a little. Okay, let's make it a little bigger and make it a little straight like this. Once you are done setting all of your digital devices in your canvas, then you must write down the name so everyone knows that what have you added. Okay, so for writing the names, again go to the text option, select the 2D text from your right hand side window, click below the laptop, and once you click it, you must change the size of your text. See, it's 48. I don't want this size. So I will click on the drop down and make it 28. Now start writing the names of the digital devices. Number 1 is a laptop. Then give a space so that you can give enough space that you go down the phone. Then write down smartphone or phone. I can write a smartphone because it is available in your book as well. If you want to make this size smaller, so you can just make it more smaller, select it, go back here and make it 24, or even smaller than this, 20. Okay, I'll keep it more smaller because I need to write down desktop computer as well. So give a space, then start writing desktop computer. If you see that the text is going down, so you have to fix it by going to the square. See this is square and drag it. The middle square, you need to drag the text box and then the text will come in one line. Once you are done writing the desktop computer, give a space and then write down tablet below the tablet. And then finally, you have to give more space to write down camera, or you can write a digital camera if you want. So let's make it digital camera and drag our text box a little to our left hand side. Then you can adjust all of these headings in such a way that it goes down each of the devices. The laptop seems a little different, so we need to change the same size. If the size is that we set is 22, or maybe it was less than 22, 18. So keep all of these text size same and go to this dotted lines and just put it down like this for each of these devices and make sure that the names are down the devices. Smartphone like this, desktop computer, adjust the spacing in such a way that the name must come below the devices. Okay, here we go. I'm all set. I have added the digital devices and I have written the names of that. I hope you enjoyed this project. You must practice it on Paint 3D and stay tuned, stay connected for more fun projects. Bye bye. See you in the next video.